Hey there everyone, so it's Yat Kean here from Trend Ground. Welcome back to another video. So in this video, we are going to unbox and also give our quick impression on the latest Samsung Galaxy Watch7 that is already available in Malaysia. My particular sample review unit over here is the 40mm variant in the green color. Okay, so I think let's straight on unbox this guy first. Okay, let's go. So this is the official retail packaging for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, and when you purchase it, remember to have the seal to be properly sealed, top and bottom. I'm not going to talk so much about the specification, okay, but do remember this is a Wi-Fi model. Okay, so first thing, you need to pull the tabs away, pull it, and once you pull, there you go, ready to go. Voila. Nice, perfect. So let's check inside the box. What does it still offers inside? So there are some paperwork here in this white box, which I'm not going to show you guys so much. And the magnetic charging cable. Yeah, you need this guy. Yeah. Nice. So I'm going to take this thing out first. And I'm going to put it aside anyway. And check out the watch itself. Wow, I love the green color. Really striking. Oh man, the Watch 7 definitely looks really amazing. Check it out, man. Wow. Let me just try to fit into my hand first. Okay, sorry for the awkward wearing. Okay, just fits perfectly. Nice. Now, for me, if you want something small, go for the 40mm. But if you like the bigger watch, try to get the 44mm variant. Yeah, for me, I prefer the big one, but this is the sample review unit I received. So we'll talk more about the 40mm variant. Man, but definitely looks nice. Just fit perfectly, but definitely I wish the strap is slightly longer. Look at it. I'm taking the third hole, and it's already like just fit nice, man. But I like this green color. It looks good. Let me fire it up, okay? Okay, so I have done setting it up, and to be honest, I kind of like the new layout a little bit more. So if you really go and check out, there are some UI has been updated. If you have been using the Galaxy Watch series, you do notice the UI has been changed a lot. So you do able to see I have like incoming WhatsApp messages. Alright, quite nice. I like it. Some of the things they are actually done this time is quite pretty amazing as well. You can see the animation. It look much more, even though I felt like a little bit cartoony, but it does look nice. Yeah, not bad. So at the moment, battery percentage is 69%. I'll just roughly use it within like 12 hours. I'll get back to you like maybe by 12 a.m. ish, a little bit, okay? Roughly a 10 hour of usage. We'll see how is the battery life. So just remember again, is right now is 68%, okay? And yeah, stay tuned. In the meantime, let's compare a little bit with the Galaxy Watch 6 as well. So on my left here is the Watch 7. This is the Watch 6 on the right hand side. Yeah. So let me just turn on the light a little bit so you could be able to see. Yeah, you do able to see the sensor is much more different, but still not too protruding that makes the smartwatch feels too huge on your wrist. So that is something I kind of like it. Actually, they have actually made it much more curvature at the back here, whereby if you really look at the watch 6, there's a little bit indentation coming upwards. So yeah, actually I kind of like it. With the newer design, is looking much more sleeker as well. So the new sensors are going to help with the new features on the watch as well. So definitely there's benefit onto it with the new sensors on the Galaxy Watch 7. Okay, so I have to give you a quick update. I don't think the watch can last till 12 a.m. So right now it's already 10:40. I'm showing you here. So as you can see, it's already 9% of battery life. Now to be honest, if you watch from the video, yes, quite an ample of battery life, but it was actually taken up a lot because the watch requires some updates. So after the updates, it was like taking up more than 30 plus percent of the battery. Yeah, after the installation is so much more. And along with that, I'm actually, to be honest, I'm installing all the WhatsApp and some of the apps, but I use mostly WhatsApp with this watch, and I'm getting a lot of messages. Hence, you do able to see why the battery life is actually depleting quite quickly. Yeah. So let me just try to charge it up, and I'll see how fast it does actually charge. So it has been several days with the Galaxy Watch 7. I think now is a proper timing for me to talk about the quick impression on this Watch 7. Now, don't get me wrong, from the first part, I think it's not an accurate for me to mention about the battery life, but after several days of using it like a normal usage, I would glad to say that battery life definitely has improved over the previous generation. And if you truly use it like normal, I would say 1.5 days is quite possible. 2 days, yes, you can actually stretch to 2 days, but for my type of usage, I would generally seeing 1 full day of usage is quite possible because I turn on WhatsApp on this Galaxy Watch 7. Yes, you can actually turn on WhatsApp onto here and you can reply messages as well. Yes, there is keyboard for you to type onto it. I always use it and I find it is quite useful, and I don't have to open up my smartphone to reply back messages, and that is a really lifesaver. And it also looks much better when I'm at event. I don't have to like keep looking down onto my phone. At least people saw I am actually uh, typing via the smartwatch is not so disrespectful. Okay, okay, that's a part of it. Let's talk about the ergonomics. Now, ergonomics wise, I would have to say the 40 millimeter over here is definitely suit for those who have a smaller hand. Okay, mine does barely fit. So, like for me, I would say 44 millimeter is definitely good for those who have bigger hands, and for guys, I think they would go for the 44 millimeter. But for the girls, if you really want to get the 40 millimeter, yeah, it's still a perfect watch for you to get it. Yeah. In terms of the performance and the software, for now I would able to say it's quite smooth like usual. Practically nothing much has been changed because the smartwatch, let's admit it, nothing much has been like making a big wow factor onto it. But with the improved chipset, I do able to see the battery life has been improved. Animations do look much more, a little bit more smoother here and there. I think over time the Wear OS has been properly updated, and together with Samsung did a really great job to refine the software experience. I don't think you can get that kind of smooth smartwatch experience in anywhere in this price point. Yep. So I think that's the quick impression I can give to you. So if you want to get one in Malaysia, that's going to cost you 1,199 ringgit Malaysia. Yes, it starts from 1,199 ringgit Malaysia. Mine here is the Wi-Fi Bluetooth model. So if you want to get the LTE model, yes, you can actually get it. But for this content, it's merely on the Bluetooth Wi-Fi model. Right? So stay tuned for the full review video, which is gonna go out in 2 weeks' time. Give me 2 weeks of time, okay? There's really a lot of contents going on. Apologize for the late contents, but really one person doing everything is really quite hectic at the moment. So hopefully you are aware about that and you find this video is good. Please, as usual, subscribe if you're still new. Follow us on the social media account. And last but not least, just head to the website. Have a good reading time, okay? So, Yat Kean here. Bow to you folks that is watching, and I much appreciate it. And I'll see you guys on the next content, alright? Yeah, do watch more content over here, okay? Good. Bye.